Hello guys, again you are welcome to my channel Literature Classes. This is Abhilasha. Today we are going to read a very important topic, that is psychological novel. Psychological novel is a type of novel. This psychological novel, a term which is something related to mind, something related to thinking. So, what is psychological novel exactly, and what are the important novels related to this term? Watch in the video, and please, it is a request, please watch the video till the end so that the concept of psychological novel will be clear to you. Okay, so without wasting a further time, let's move right into the topic. Okay, see, the psychological novels are the narrative in which the novelist explores the spiritual, emotional, and mental lives of the characters. Psychological novels are the narrative in which the novelist explore. What the novelist explore? What the novelist find? Spiritual, emotional, and mental lives of the characters. He shows the mental life, mental thinking of the character, of the protagonist, you can say. Emotional thinking, spiritual thinking, whatever he think, that depicts as it is in the psychological novel, because the term itself shows the meaning of the novel. Psychological, related to mind, something related to mind, something related to thinking, something related to perception, you can say, something related to thought process. So he focuses on the reasons of the behavior of the characters to develop the plot of the novel. Basically, he focuses on the behavior of the character. He focuses on the reasons why he is behaving in this way. Why he is behaving in this way, what is the reason? He tries to find out the reason of the characters. He does not much talk about the plot, or he does not focus upon the plot or characterization or dialogue or any action. Basically, the novelist of the psychological novelist always focuses on the character's mindset, what he is thinking, what is the perception, what he wants to do, what is his aim or motive, you can say. So in the psychological novel, he focuses on these things. Basically, in the psychological novels, the novelist shows the inner person of the character and his motives. I told you, in the psychological novelist shows the inner person, means the mentality of the character, or the thought process of the character, and his motives and his aims, or what he want to do, his aims, his purpose, what he want to do in the future, or what he is thinking now to do. These all are these things related to the psychological novel. The novelist does not tell anything except these things, because the term itself defining this. So, and one thing, a term that is very linked to psychological novel is a stream of consciousness. You can also say these both terms are interlinked. So, the stream of consciousness is a phrase which defines the unbroken flow of thoughts, the unbroken feelings of mind, or the progress of the thoughts, the thought process, okay, or feelings of the mind, what the character thinks. These are related to stream of consciousness. Consciousness means when you are waking, when you are alive, when you are thinking, not in sleeping mind. but in when you are alive, when you are in waking mind, that time whatever the character is thinking, that is depicted as it is in the novel. Stream means flowing like river. The thoughts are flowing like the river, and these flowing thoughts are expressed in the novel as it is. That is stream of consciousness. Like in the movies you have seen that the character, whatever the character is thinking, that is depicted. How the whatever the character is thinking in the mind, that can be heard by the audience, but he is not lip sync, he is not saying anything, he is not uttering anything, but the audience can understand, the audience can listen the feelings and thinking of the protagonist or the character. How? Because this is the stream of consciousness. This is the stream of consciousness the writer or the producer is want to show. So this is the stream of consciousness. The best example of stream of consciousness is Ulysses. Ulysses is a novel which is published by James Joyce in 1922. This is a modern novel. And stream of consciousness is a phrase which is coined by William James. William James in his Principles of Psychology. This is the work of William James published in 1890. So this is the stream of consciousness. When a character is thinking something, what, or you can say the thought process of the character in waking mind, and this flow of the thought process is expressed in the novel as it is. That is the you can say stream of consciousness term or the psychological novel. These are related terms. See the examples of psychological novel. Who wrote these psychological novel? The Tale of Genji. The Tale of Genji was written in the 11th century by Lady Morsky. This was the very first novel in the term psychological novel, and it was originated in Japan. Okay, the next one is Pamela, which was published by Samuel Richardson in 1740. In this Pamela, Samuel Richardson has depicted the female thinking, the female mindset of the character. Next, The Red and the Black. The Red and the Black was published in 1830 by Stendhal. This was the novel which came in French. The next is The Princess of Cleves, was published in 1678 by Madame de la Fayette. This Madame de la Fayette was also a French writer. So this is a French novel. Next, The Brothers Karamazov. It was published in 1879 by 1879 to 80. And The Crime and the Punishment was published in 1866. These novels are written by Dostoevsky. Next, Anna Karenina. Anna Karenina was published in 1878 by Leo Tolstoy. These are the examples of psychological novel. Means they are psychological novel. Okay, and these novels are very best examples of psychological novel. Except these novels, in US literature, there were writers who brought this psychological novel in their works. The writers are like Henry James, Patrick White, Edith Wharton, Patrick M.C. Garth, and Arthur Miller. These are writers who also wrote psychological novels. Some Indian novelists are also wrote psychological novel. So guys, this was psychological novel. Hope you will understood this topic very easily. So that's it for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.